Let's set up our Bitcoin wallets and switch networks. First, we're going to set up our Unisat wallet. Click on the link and it'll take you to the page where you can automatically add it to your browser. In my case, I'm using Brave. You'd see Chrome if you were using Chrome, etc. Next, we're going to create a new wallet and set a password. Go ahead and set your password. Once you hit continue, it's going to give you your seed phrase. I cropped that out of this video for security purposes. Next, you're going to go ahead and pick the native SegWit, which is usually at the top. That'll be your address type. But depending on your needs, you might need a different address type, so just double check step 4. You can continue, and there's going to be a couple of acknowledgements, so just read those and check those boxes to continue. And you are all set. A second part of this is switching your Bitcoin network from mainnet to testnet. This is really important and it can cost you a lot. First, you're going to go to the browser extension that you just set up, and then we're going to just look at the network dropdown and very easily go to testnet and choose Bitcoin testnet. It's always important to double check this.